Your malicious choppers. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to cook cassava and what we call manioc in French. And it was long and I already kind of cut it, as you can see. And then this is how I got it out. I cut it, and then you have to peel it out and you clean it out, and this is what you get after peeling it out. It comes out like this. And I'm gonna be using my rice cooker to boil my cassava. Stay tuned. So choppers, as you can see, I already washed my cassava, my manioc, and I scrape it. Once you peel it off, you want to wash it, you can scrape the skin. Use the knife that you use in cutting it. You just scrape the skin. That's just so that you don't have the bitterness when you're boiling it. Some cassava tend to be bitter when you boil it. I guess it's because you don't scrape it, and that's the reason for scraping the skin. And then you wash it well. You put your water. This is my rice cooker, as you can see, and I'm gonna put it in here and go put it on the rice cooker, and you guys are gonna see that. And the reason why you put the water first before you put the salt is just so that the salt is evenly diluted in the water, so that it tastes should I say evenly on when you're eating the cassava. Because sometimes when you put the cassava, you just put your salt to taste. We don't eat a lot of salt, so I'm just going to put small salt. And I am using iodized salt, Signature Select. And so you want to put the cassava, the bigger ones on the bottom and the smaller cuts on top. And the reason why you put your salt, let me remind you again, is in the water first. Is just so that the salt dilutes properly, evenly, and the whole cassava tastes the same. You don't want to put your salt, sprinkle it on top. No, that's why you have some cassava taste. This one could be tasting different from this one because you kind of sprinkle the salt, and this one absorb more salt than this one. So guys, now that we put in our water and everything, we're just gonna go ahead and arrange from bottom to top, bigger ones under and smaller ones on top. So I got the bigger ones on the bottom. Now we're gonna go to put the middle, the medium sizes on top, or the rest of it on top. There we go, guys. So we are gonna take it over to our rice cooker and turn it on and leave it there. Guys, so here is my rice cooker, and I'm gonna use the white rice option. It doesn't have any option for cassava, but I'm gonna use, because I think this cassava gets ready same time as white rice. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pot. There you have it, guys. So I'm gonna close it now, guys. As you can see, guys, it's on and it's cooking. That's how you know it's cooking. Choppers, here's the end of our cassava boiling. So as you can see, it got ready and it's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. Stay tuned. Choppers, this is the end of it. Like this video, share it, comment, and tell me what you think, and tell me the different things in which you eat your cassava with. Thank you, guys. Love you so much. Bye bye.